Welcome to week 4 of renovation progress updates. It's raining, so come inside. So, another week of excitement. We've now got a functioning wine rack. This is where we put the paving slabs. So this is going to be my wine rack, and I am really excited about it. It's currently got our dust sheets in, but it's got paving slabs up both sides, top, bottom and back. And then we've done the same in the living room, so I'll show you that quickly. Move this out of the way. This is the new Fireplace. This is going to be all blocked up. I mean, it is very little, it's diddy, but I just wanted something, and without knocking basically the whole thing in, this is what we've ended up with. So it's nice. I'll probably put some candles in or something. We've got radiator. I will have a couple of chairs in front of this one, and the sofa's going there not to block all of the heat. And then I put the brackets for the curtain poles up. I mean, to be honest, I actually now want blinds, so that's a bit of a fail. I sort of wish I'd never even bothered dealing with curtains, but it is what it is. We're just going to go with it now. My shower arrived, so upstairs. Have some exciting things happening upstairs. First things first, let's look at these doorknobs that I am not taking any credit for at all. The doorknobs that Levi has lovingly put on, and they actually work now, and I'm not going to keep getting locked in the bathroom like I did before. So yeah, new doorknobs, which is exciting. So I'm going to finish painting all of the doors now. Bathroom. So, come in. No bath. We decided to take out the bath and the bidet just because we're not going to move in whilst the bathroom is not done. Because I can't get the carpets down in my bedroom, I have to wait until the radiators are pressure tested, and the radiators aren't going to be pressure tested until the boiler is in, and that's not going to be happening until next week now. So we just thought, get the shower out, get the bidet out, get some more room in here. I'm going to go and pick up the bathroom suite in the next few days. Major news, we got some plaster, so hopefully now nothing will get in our way timing wise. We did have to pay a little bit more, but to be honest, it's worth it for not having to stop and down tools. So he's going to come next week and start plastering every part of the house that needs plasterboarding and plastering. I am still planning on tiling it all, but it is gonna take a while. So I need to watch some DIY videos on how to tile. So that's that. So my task today is getting all of the wallpaper. You can't really see it now. So this was the wallpaper that was on it, this floral design. And I've scraped this off. It's left loads of glue. So I'm going to use the wallpaper stripper, and I've got to take it all off because otherwise the paint won't take. So that's my job for today. I'm going to sand this down, and then we can build some big shelves and I can have all my kit in here. I have officially owned the house for 4 weeks yesterday. So we've done a lot in just 4 weeks, which is great. But this is my main task for today. We're just trying to catch up on all of our little jobs that we've tried to do around the tradies, but we haven't really been able to. So Monday, the electrician is coming in to do the first fix on the kitchen, which is exciting because then the builder will be able to plaster the kitchen, and then the plumber can come in and put the pipes in. So I'm just trying to make sure that everyone is lined up in the right order. So next week's update should be very exciting. We should have a lot of progress. My kitchen is still being built, it's still in progress, and we're getting a skip. So I rang the skip company, and councils are starting to accept skip permits now for the road. So we are finally next week going to be able to get rid of some of the absolute trash in the front garden, which we've currently got the bathtub in there now, so it's just absolutely outrageous. Turn this off. So I pretty much finished the side tables. However, my bed is too big to have both side tables, so I have to decide which side table I want on which side of the bed. So I'll be doing that at some point. And these were the bane of my life. They're just about in now, but to be honest, I just want to rip them out and not have any curtains because I'm so frustrated by the entire process. So I think next time I'm just going to get blinds. That's it for renovation updates. I hope you're still enjoying the renovation updates, and I will see you in a week's time for some more updates.